Hi guys.
Hi.
Today we're gonna do an unboxing, and what are we unboxing?
These bikes.
Deck BMX bikes. We haven't gotten any of these bikes yet. We got lots of the Deck skateboards and ramps and stuff, and we even have some scooters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but today we're gonna unbox these bikes and see what these look like. So let's open this up and take a look and see what we got. All right, Parker's gonna open this up. Of course, there's always tape on the boxes, so you gotta figure out how to get it off. Can you get it?
No.
No? You want me to try to get it? Oh, there's tape on one side and tape on the other side. I don't think you have to do both sides. I think you can just open it up from that side. Flip it over. Let's look. Alright, this is them in the box. Let's take a look. Looks like a purple one. What's that middle color? Is that an orange or pinkish?
Orange, pinkish.
And then like
kind of like a gold.
Kind of like a gold color. One says Sunday on it. I don't know what the purple one says. And then the gold one says We the People. Let's pull them out and we'll take a closer look at them. Of course he's going with the pinkish orangish one because that's Parker's favorite color. So of course he's going to take that one out first. Alright, we got it out. Let's take a look. Let's zoom in on it here. Oh, those are cool looking, man. Look at that. The pedals go with the back wheel. That's really cool. It's got like a chain on it, like a rubber chain. That's cool. And the handlebars can spin all the way around. That's probably so you can do tricks and stuff. Awesome. Let's see what the other ones look like. And on this one, it says Sunday. He's gonna pull the purple one out next. Take a look at the purple one. Oh, these also, I just noticed you can raise and lower the seat. There's a little screw there where you can raise and lower the seat. That's cool, so you can adjust the seat height.
This one's hard to get out.
You having trouble getting the purple one out?
Yeah.
The cardboard stuck?
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta use some muscle. Pull it out. Alright, got the purple one out. Take a look at the purple one. It's got the purple one has purple wheels on it.
Yeah.
The frame is black, but it's got purple wheels, where the other one has a pink frame and black wheels. And then whatever that says, I don't even know what that says. I'm not sure, I can't read that writing. But yeah, same similar style, just different color. And then the last one, this is We the People, right? This bike's called We the People. And it's kind of this like golds, bronze type color. It's pretty cool color. And then on it, on the frame there, it says We the People. It's kind of hard to read. But yeah, it says We the People. And it's cool because if you spin the pedals, it makes the back tire spin around. Just like you're really pedaling it. That's pretty cool. Next, we'll have to try these out on the ramps and see how they work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like them?
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, they look really cool. They look like they're built really well, so they don't look like they'll break. So hopefully it all stays together. They don't seem to have, like changeable wheels or anything. Not like the skateboards do. Like skateboards, like you can change out the wheels and stuff.
Yeah.
These ones, I don't know. look like they're supposed to. Maybe you could. Let's take a closer look
This
at
one
that.
has more details than this one.
Yeah. All right, well, these are awesome. We're going to go ahead and play with these. We'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.